Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Friday, March 5th, 2010. This morning I wanted to go through something that is a set of convenience methods I've created for the network interfaces that I've been writing, things like the Facebook interface, Twitter interface, and so on. It turns out there are a bunch of small convenience methods that are common across multiple versions of things I've written. For instance, creating a comma delimited string from a collection or creating an array from a comma delimited string, because it turns out in early versions of the Facebook interface and some of the older methods you get back comma delimited strings instead of JSON. So that was a convenience method I needed. Multiple things have given me back strings like true and false or T and F, and multiple things have given me back numbers as booleans, 0 and 1. So I had these convenience methods, and then another thing that I found a need for was timestamps in either ISO 8601 or Unix seconds, because Facebook seems to like that. So I created a little package. If you go to the public store repository, you'll find that there's a package called Network App Utilities. Now it turns out there's a package in your parcels directory of the same name. You can load that, but it's an older version. It has some limitations and it's not as complete. So what I would suggest you do is go to the public store repository. So you go here, Network App Utilities. And what you want to do is grab this latest version. I just published it because I found another bug this evening before I did this. So I'm going to load that. And it's a very small package. Okay, once that comes in, you've got these small convenience methods. So I can take this comma delimited string 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 and send it array from comma delimited string. And I should get back, if I do an inspect, an array with 1, 2, let's move this over, 3, 5, and 10, so that's as I would expect. Likewise, I can take the array and turn it into a comma delimited string by doing a print it, and there you go. I can take a timestamp right now and turn it into an ISO 8601 format by doing this, and there you go. Also, I can turn it into Unix seconds as opposed to Smalltalk seconds. The Smalltalk epoch and the Unix epoch are not the same thing, so it's useful to have these two things delimited. So also I can do these two things. T as Boolean should give me true, and 0 as Boolean should give me false. So a very small set of convenience methods, but I think highly useful in terms of being able to get a few simple things done. And if you're building network interfaces to things, you come across this kind of thing a lot. So it's a package that might be useful for you, and it's just a small, simple thing you can use. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.